Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's go and see what's happening in Takeover today. Nintendo shows off Mario Kart World's new courses, items, and open world features. So if you are Mario fan and you have planned to buy Nintendo Switch 2 because this game is special for Nintendo Switch 2, it is really good news for you guys because this game will be open world, I think, for first time. That means you can drive to anywhere. Look like what was the game? GTA. You can go anywhere. You have some missions to do and discover the map. So it will be really interesting, I think. Second news is about Strava. So Strava is a kind of social media for sportmen and sportwomen to share their daily exercises with GPS on map. For example, they their plan for running. After they run, they can also it is look like drawing something on map that where did they go, and it will be like this monitoring the places, and it can be funny for them because sometimes they really draw something with running on the map, look like this picture. So this program is a really powerful program and very famous between sportmen and sportwomen, and they are going to buy Runa. So what is Runa? Runa is AI based, we can say, coach, or yes, we can say AI based coach for sport assistant because he needs work with sport and woman, and prepare plan for them, exercise plan, food plan, that with AI. So look like individual coach. So if they can buy Runa, it will be very good program. Everything together, social media, tracking your exercises, and also coach and tracking your food and everything with AI. So it is good idea. Let's go. Perplexity is one AI assistant program. It is not new, but it is not as famous as ChatGPT or Gemini, but it is very powerful about deep thinking and solving problems. So Perplexity is reportedly key to Motorola's next Razr or RAZR new model of Motorola. They will use of Perplexity uh, as an AI assistant for their phones, and they will mix it with Gemini because Gemini is base AI assistant for Android. So they will mix it and they will make new system for themselves. And also they said that maybe Samsung will do same. That means mix Gemini and Perplexity for their new AI phones. And also, if it is interesting to you, you can also download this program for your phone at the moment. You shouldn't have these phones. You can download. It's free to use. Uh, New good news for Metaverse. If you are Metaverse fan, Infinity Reality is changing the game, and it looks like game back for Metaverse. So Infinity Reality is one program or company that they made something in Metaverse. That means concerts, cities, avenues, streets. You can have your avatar and join to one concert in Metaverse. Buy a house, I don't know, something like that in Metaverse. And that means Unreal world. And their their company's value is $15.5 billion, and in the new plan, they bought, I think they bought it, Touchcast for $500 million. And what is Touchcast? Touchcast is one AI-based program for meetings, making meetings, classes online, again, Metaverse. So they bought it to mix it and bring it to Metaverse. That means when you go to Metaverse, you can also have meetings there with real people with their avatars. So I don't know, did you understand me or not? But Touchcast is one program which is creating or generating meeting rooms in Metaverse for meetings, for classrooms, something like that. And Infinity Reality bought it to add it inside their Metaverse, for example, cities, countries. You can have your avatar, you can have a job maybe there, and you can join to your meeting inside Metaverse. So it's really interesting, and we should wait and see what will happen in future. So Tesla's spring update activates adaptive high beams that won't blind oncoming drivers. If you are a driver, you know that it's always it always make problem for your eyes when you drive at night. That upcoming cars light will be I think not make blind, but it tortures people too much. So it is good that Tesla is thinking about it and solve this problem. I really hope that one day all cars have these features to solve this problem generally. So bird body, one AI, everything is getting AI. A smart bird feeder. So if you like birds and you want bring them to your, for example, house, villa, or balcony, and have them freely, just enjoy of them, you can buy them. It has camera and feed to birds when they comes. And it will be really interesting. I think that also it can record the video 2K for you about that birds. Maybe you can watch video of birds when you are at home or something like that. So it's not expensive at the moment. It is $189. You can buy from their website, Bird Body. So okay, just look at Huawei's three-fold phones. First three-fold phone in the world. You can see in the picture it is 3 layers. I really don't like this kind of phones because it will be like this, not thin in your packets. But if you like it, you can research about it and you see that how is that phone, three-fold phone. It is first three-fold in the world. Huawei produced it. You can check yourself. So this company is just a small company with, I think, 3 guys that you can see in the picture. They created new generation of drones which can fly without controller, just AI based, without any control, just with Google Map. It can travel to everywhere you want, and they can record the video, and you don't need to have controller to control them. One day they just tweet, or I don't know at the moment what we say when they share something inside X social media program. He just tweets that we need money. We produce new things. We created this kind of drones with Google Maps without any controller, with AI, and just with one tweet, that means they can earn $4.3 million. Too many people invested on their project, and I really liked it. This kind of drones are really useful. Maybe in future, also Google will invest on their products or buy it to use for taking picture without big cars or something like that, because they are smart. They can fly everywhere. So it was today's news. I hope very good news for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please, I don't know why you don't like my video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, and help me, support me to create everyday new content for you guys. Thank you. See you very soon. Bye bye.